Tic-tac balloon challenge! Yeah! Nobody is faster than me! Slow like a turtle!
Guys, let's play together!
Leave the balloons!
Oh.
We should record that! Record this! Red is winning!
Tom, let's play with my dollhouse!
Watch out, Casey!
No! You destroyed my house! There's nothing there!
I told you to leave us alone! It's your fault, Casey! Okay, see you, loser. This is what I call underwear dance.
Tom, you have to... Oh no, my eyes!
Casey, why don't you even knock at the door?
I want a new house, or I'll complain to Mom!
What? Under my dead body. Skateboard duel.
What? I have been practicing. I know your moves.
Not all my moves. Fly, I found.
You mean call I Mom?
No, okay, I'll do this.
Okay, hang it up.
Monster. Let's build something that keeps her away and finish it before it rocks his body. This goes over here. What about being a rock star? Free concerts for your dolls.
Tom, that is not a house.
Fine. I have a new idea, even though she has to admit that guitar was awesome and more cool. Yeah! Wow, look, a new friend for you, Casey.
Tom, a house.
Okay, no more awesome ideas. I will build you a dollhouse. These two lumbers should be enough. Some pink rough tape, a few hammer blows, and it's ready. You're not supposed to fall. Whoa, what do you think, Casey? Casey's home.
What is it? I'll call Mom.
Wait. I'll do whatever you want.
Tom, what do you do to your sister?
We wanted to say how much we love you, right, Casey?
Yes, we love you so much, Mom.
Oh, I love you both.
And now I want my house.
Fine. I want a house. I will call Mom. She thinks she's so smart.
What's wrong, Tom?
I don't know how to do this.
I have the design. Here.
But it's a castle. Casey, how do you expect me to do this?
Don't worry, Tom. I have plans. Look.
What? Which plans? Casey's dream castle? What? When did you do that? I have a lot of problems. Wow, you're so smart for a 9-year-old girl, Cass.
I know. Now get to work.
According to the plans, this goes here.
Are you done?
Not yet. If Casey's height is like a dwarf, it has not to be so
Are
high.
you done yet?
Stop doing that, Casey. Whoa, let's try it. Like a Dr. Strange. Easy.
Idea! Tom, hold this!
I barely feel my fingers,
I
Casey.
just want to prove this fire hack. We can set up a room fire.
A room fire for your castle? What? It's not necessary.
It works! Not for my castle, Dum-Dum, for my marshmallows.
You're a bit too smart, Casey. But it's not a good idea.
Kids, we are on fire. Luckily, I bought this on Amazon.
Thanks, Mom.
My marshmallows.
My
You're
hoodie.
safe now. You're welcome.
Let's finish this. Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's time for us to work. I hope this wall can keep her away. When it's done, Casey will be happy and I will have some peace. It's easy with dwarf measurements. Wow, I'm a builder.
Whoa! I'm a princess!
Ouch! Okay, princess. Time to paint your house. Sit down there and don't move.
Yay! Let's paint! Maybe pink!
What a surprise. Okay. What do you think, Casey?
Orange is a nice color also.
Orange is a nice color also. What about now?
I don't know. What about shiny green?
You better be sure this time. Green will match your dwarf measurements. Done.
Ew. pink is the best. Or maybe the green isn't bad.
I hate you! I will give you pink. Be ready, Casey. You love pink, huh?
What did you do, Tom?
Huh? Casey? Oh, I didn't see you there.
You have destroyed my... Huh? I love it!
Huh, ha, ha. Let's finish this. And I thought it would be much difficult. Wow. Wow, cool. What? Why I cannot hear anything? Casey?
Tom has a girlfriend and he sent ridiculous pictures.
What are you doing? Leave my phone. I'm done with you. Come.
Hey!
I need a rest. Put this on and have some fun.
Wow, it is so real.
I can relax a little bit.
Hey, ho, take this.
Watch out, Mom's face! Safe.
Dance simulation, yay!
No, the plan! Cat reflexes. Can you be more careful, Casey? Casey, are you listening?
Dance? What?
My VR, all my savings! I can't reach it! No!
Oh no! I'm sorry, Tom.
Sorry? What have you done, Casey? You ruined everything! Come with me!
No, I will call Mom! No!
Wait here!
What are you doing?
Take this.
Wow!
Great. Don't bother me anymore. Perfect. Anti-Casey's trap.
Trap?
Huh? Where did she go? I need to check first the room. Ouch! What the hell? Casey!
Are you okay, Tom?
I'm okay. See ice cream! Casey!
Whoops! Tom, open the door! I want to see how you do my castle!
It's time to finish the castle. Wow, purple bricks. Perfect. Much better without Casey's bothering. Done.
Tom, open my room! You will regret this!
Ha! I'm done. Fancy big windows for a little demon. Shiny pinky door to entry and hopefully stay there. And plans for a Neko style. I need to find Casey. She will love it.
He will be very scared.
Casey, where are you? Your castle is finished. Casey?
I'm here!
Stop playing, Casey. I will show you your castle. Huh? Casey? What?
Tom!
Casey, no!
He believes it! Time to punch! Help, Tom!
No, Casey! I just finished your castle!
I got you! Is my house finished?
Come on, you little demon!
Woo!
So, Casey, what do you think? I think I could be a tiny house builder. Yeah. Good, yeah?
I don't know. It doesn't look like my design. Something is missing here. I know what is missing. Tommy, there's only one little problem.
What?
Where's the slide?
You don't need one.
I need a slide.
No.
I need a slide.
No, Casey.
I need a slide now.
Casey, I told you, you don't need slide.
I will tell
Casey,
Mom.
stop crying. Where can I find the slide?
I know where's one for free.
There is a new way to earn money.
Where?
Here, the garden.
But that's a theft, Casey.
Go for it.
Okay.
These TikTokers make more money than me in a year.
Now, you stay there, Casey. That was easy. Okay, slide, time to new home.
Sorry, I had to.
If he had sisters, he will understand. Here he comes, time to run.
A note? Huh? I don't even like pies. Where is my slide?
I'm sorry! Run, Casey, faster! We just need this piece.
I will have a slide.
Come here! Is it a prank? My slide! I'm too old for slides anyway.
Finally home. Poor guy.
It was fun. Let's do it again.
And there is your slide. I'm done.
Wow, stop!
Ah! What now?
Can we have a tea party at the brand new castle? Please, Tommy, please.
Aw.
One teacup. It's homemade tea. Have you seen my garden? I have homemade carrots for tea.
No, thank you. Look at the time. I need to go.
No! Tom!
What?
Party's not
No,
finished.
I should be prepared for a real party.
But I just want to play with you.
Let's find something to impress Roxy. Where is my... Casey?
Can I come to your party? Tommy, please.
No, I will not take you anywhere.
Tom, take your sister to the party.
Okay, Mom. You better be ready in 5 minutes. Oh, they like a jacket. Nice. Dress in 1 minute hack. And now I'm ready. Hey, handsome, you look nice.
Wow! I want to try the lucky dress. Time to roll. Whoa! Ouch!
Casey, are you okay?
Tom, I'm ready. Let's go to the party.
Okay, we don't have time to change. Let's go.
Yes.
Hey, buddies. Shh. New my friends. Hey, take this.
Hi. Hello. Hi. I'm famous. Yay!
Casey, you ruined my TikTok, silly.
Yes, Casey, you ruined our TikTok. Silly.
Hey, I'm the one that can bully my sister.
You're so rude.
Casey.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, Roxy. Stay here, Cass. I have to do something.
Okay. Hi.
Hey, Roxy.
Yes, Tom?
Great party, Roxy. Do you want to dance with me?
I thought you'll never ask. Yes, I want to dance.
Wow, you dance awesomely.
Tommy.
Can you give me a minute with my sister?
Okay, I'll go to get some drinks.
What now?
Oh, I want to pee.
Right now?
Yes.
Okay, hurry up.
Tom? Where is he? I want to dance.
Little sisters. Where is Roxy?
Let's party, yeah!
My honey. You look beautiful today. Aw.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Tom? What the hell?
Roxy? If you're here, who is...
Hi, Tom.
Who are you? Roxy, it was just misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding? Take your misunderstanding. How could you confuse her with me?
What?
And never come back to my house again.
Bye-bye, Roxy. It was a very fun party.
Ouch! I screwed up. Now what?
You want to have a party, Tommy? We have so much fun together.
Yes, this party's much better. Nice tea, Casey.
Thanks.
Billy, I can be loud!
Let's play, sis.
Not interested.
I'll show you.
What's wrong? You don't step on my side.
What? Stop! Blue is mine. What?
Here we go. Let's settle this way. Stay there.
Stay there. Wow. Secret room? Casey, what?
Perfect.
Wow. I can do better. I am genius. Wow. Chilling.
Final touch. Oh, smells good.
Oh, Casey. Oh no! My home! It's melting!
Must be yummy. Thanks, Mom. Wait. I can do whatever I want. Wow, my favorite. Jelly bears, popcorn, some sausages, secret sauce. First, second, and a pinch of chips. Final touch. Perfect.
Yummy! Smells good.
Lights off.
Stick to the plan.
Roger that. Hello. Who is that?
That's not enough.
Hello?
Hi.
Don't move. Pizza! Well, shoot! Wow! Wow! It's from Mom?
Let's unfreeze her. What did you do to me? I quit. So good.
It's mine!
You wanna fight? You'll get a fight.
Okay.
Left, right. Too easy. Time for the ultimate attack.
I saw something!
Accept your defeat. Which is it?
Maybe this?
Stop. This.
I don't think so. No! No! What's
going
on?